Swachchata Hi Sewa campaign at Majeedia Girls High School and Junior College. Date 1st October 2023. On the 1st of October 2023, Majeedia Girls High School and Junior College enthusiastically participated in the Swachchata Hi Sewa campaign, a nationwide initiative to promote cleanliness and hygiene. The event brought together students, teachers, and staff to actively contribute to the cleaning and maintenance of the school premises. Activities: classroom cleaning. The primary focus of the day was on cleaning and organizing the classrooms. Students and teachers formed teams to ensure that every classroom was spotless. They swept, mopped, dusted, and arranged desks and chairs, transforming cluttered spaces into tidy and welcoming learning environments. Corridor and common area cleanup. Beyond classrooms, attention was given to corridors, common areas, and open spaces within the school compound. This is an education. The event also included educational sessions on the importance of cleanliness, hygiene, and waste management. Teachers engaged students in discussions about their responsibility towards keeping the school clean and the broader role they play in society. Waste disposal. Proper waste disposal methods were emphasized, and separate bins for different types of waste were provided. This promoted the segregation of waste materials, making it easier for recycling and environmentally friendly disposal. Achievements: the Swachchata Hi Sewa campaign at Majeedia Girls High School and Junior College achieved several notable outcomes. Cleaner and healthier environment. The school premises were visibly cleaner and more organized, creating a healthier and more conducive atmosphere for teaching and learning. Sense of responsibility. Students gained a deeper understanding of their role in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene, both within the school and in their communities. Community engagement. The event fostered a sense of community among students, teachers, and staff as they worked together towards a common goal. Environmental awareness. Through discussions and activities, students learned about the importance of responsible waste management and its impact on the environment. The Swachchata Hi Sewa campaign at Majeedia Girls High School and Junior College on 1st October 2023 was a resounding success. It not only contributed to the immediate cleanliness of the school but also instilled a sense of responsibility and environmental consciousness in the participants. Such initiatives play a crucial role in promoting a cleaner, healthier, and more aware society. The school is looking forward to continuing its commitment to cleanliness and hygiene in the future. Thank you.